Listen and practice English.
Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Reading is a great way to relax and unwind. Reading is a great way to relax and unwind. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best medicine. Nature is incredibly beautiful. Nature is incredibly beautiful. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Positive thinking can change your life. Positive thinking can change your life. It's never too late to learn something new. It's never too late to learn something new. Traveling is a wonderful way to broaden your horizons. Traveling is a wonderful way to broaden your horizons. Kindness is contagious. Kindness is contagious. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Happiness is a state of mind. Happiness is a state of mind. Practice gratitude every day. Practice gratitude every day. Life is full of ups and downs. Life is full of ups and downs. A good night's sleep is essential for good health. A good night's sleep is essential for good health. Your attitude determines your altitude. Your attitude determines your altitude. Learning from your mistakes is key to growth. Learning from your mistakes is key to growth.